Welcome to Module 1, everybody. I wanted to do a quick overview of the next couple of weeks. We're going to start off with Part 1 this week, and we are starting off with our overview. This is what you guys will be looking at. I have a little bit of an inspirational message here. Some of you guys may have been lucky enough to see it this summer, and I have just an incredible edit for this semester and Revit. So please take a peek at that. We're going to start off by doing a quick introduction lecture. So this is our first lecture. And what I wanted to do is just show you some easy YouTube controls, or I think that they're easy. So when you're in YouTube and this video pops up, we've got this little settings button here. If you click on the settings button, I think the things that will be helpful to you are the playback speed. You can, again, slow me down or speed me up, and pause and play are always really helpful as well. I don't have chapters listed yet, but if I get time, I'll go ahead and put in some chapters. What chapters are shortcuts that take you to specific parts of the video so that you can skip around a lot easier if you need a review on something specific. After you've done the introduction and navigation, then what you'll do is one of our first Revit assignments. Well, you'll actually be modeling a really simple tiny house. It's really based off of a simple sketch that many people do when they're little, like that very basic house that you might work on. And for this, I only need a screenshot turned in. And remember, assignments are open for an additional week, so you have a couple weeks to get through that, but please get it done as soon as possible. And then after that, we also have some questions. Now, questions, unlike assignments, are only open for 1 week. In this case, I have it open for an extra day because you may be seeing a lot of videos, a lot of messages popping up that we are going to not have access to Canvas over the holiday break. So I think from Friday night up through Monday, Canvas will be down for an update. So it's a pretty big outage time. So please get on these as soon as possible. And there is no limit. There are 12 questions worth 2 points each, and that should get you through this week. And then when we return, we will be going over part 2. Now, one other assignment that I kind of snuck in here is I also wanted to have you guys do a practice PDF print. So this is a lecture from last semester. It is worth 10 points. And the reason why I'm opening this up a little bit early is that if you have trouble, I want to spend the next 2 weeks helping you, not just the first week. So I'm only opening up until Monday to see how round 1 goes, but then I'm going to reopen it so that you can try it again and re-upload your PDFs if you need to update anything. So that's it for this week. I hope you guys are excited to jump right into part 1 of Module 1, and then we'll get a little bit more in depth next week. Thanks, everybody.